This is 97 News HD. Today's headline: Emergency evacuation of Delta Airlines flight at Atlanta Airport due to engine issue. On January 10, 2025, a Delta Airlines flight was evacuated at Atlanta's Hartsfield-Jackson Airport after an engine malfunction led to an aborted takeoff. Over 200 passengers exited the aircraft via emergency slides amidst snowy conditions, with 4 individuals sustaining minor injuries. Delta confirmed that safety protocols were followed, and the Federal Aviation Administration is investigating the incident.